We saw a pretty good Saturday out there, a little bit of some rain to start off the day, but the second half in our afternoon saw a little bit of sunshine. Overnight tonight, we're going to continue to see mostly clear skies. This is going to help make things just a little bit chillier out there with those temperatures dropping down into the 40s and the 50s across some of the area. Temperatures right now along the beach is looking at about 60 degrees. Dew point at about 57, so it's a little bit more humid. We had some more moisture kind of hanging out throughout the area for today, but all in all, things are still pretty comfortable. Temperatures across the board along the beach is still fairly warm and in the 60s. We're looking back into the 50s for parts of the PD, 59 for Conway, 55 for Marion. Florence looking at about 58. With those clear skies, we are in for a very chilly night ahead. Those temperatures will be dropping down into the 40s, a couple of spots all the way down into the 30s, about 35 for Conway, 40 for Myrtle Beach, 44 for Florence and for Hartsville. Cheraw is going to be seeing that low of 43 degrees. This is going to be a lot cooler than what we've seen the past couple of days, and we are going to continue that cooling trend all the way into next week. Taking a look at that radar and satellite, you can see all of that moisture that moved through during the first half of our Saturday. That's quickly moving further off to the east, but the supply of cloud coverage, that's not going anywhere anytime soon. We are going to be seeing mostly clear skies overnight tonight, and the first half of your Sunday will be pretty good. But as we head throughout the afternoon and into your Sunday evening, things are going to quickly change. Taking a look closer back home, you can see that scattered cloud coverage kind of moving through overhead. High pressure will still be hanging out as we look forward to tomorrow morning. Looking forward to about 8 a.m. High pressure sitting just up to the north, helping to supply that cooler air that will be dropping down over the region overnight tonight and into tomorrow afternoon. However, this high pressure does not stick around very long. We are tracking a low pressure system picking up out of the Gulf, moving to the northeast closer to our area. This is going to cause a chance for some thunderstorms late Sunday all the way through till about Monday. So first we see a warm front lift up from the south. That's going to be causing some very heavy rain, a chance for even potentially some severe thunderstorms for your Sunday evening. Monday morning we quiet down just briefly before we see a second cold front roll through. After that front moves through the region, things will gradually start to increase or start to improve as far as some drier air moving in. We'll be seeing a little bit more sunshine, but we are also going to see a drastic drop in temperatures as we move forward to our Monday and into our Tuesday. Highs only back up into the 40s, way below the normals for this time of year. Futurecast a little closer to home, we're going to be seeing a pretty good start to your Sunday. Lots of sunshine out there, but clouds are going to increase throughout the afternoon. By about 3 o'clock, we'll start to see a couple of showers pick up from the south, and then that activity is going to ramp up throughout the evening all the way into the overnight hours. To start off your Monday, the activity as far as rain is going to start to taper off, but we will see a second band kind of move through with that cold front later on in the afternoon. So your Monday overall is going to be very cloudy all the way through to the lunchtime, and then things will start to clear out as we look forward Monday into Tuesday. Those severe thunderstorms that I mentioned for tomorrow evening, we are seeing a marginal risk for some of those storms to be strong. We're seeing 30 to 40 mile per hour wind gusts, upwards of about 60 miles per hour at times. Also seeing the potential for 1 or 2 brief tornadoes, so we're going to keep a very close eye on these storms as they roll through the region. Highs tomorrow still in the 60s, 66 for Myrtle Beach, 66 also for Conway. Florence looking at about 64 degrees. For your 7-day forecast, like I mentioned, after Monday, when we see that whole system lift up to the north and to the east, a lot of cold air will be sinking down over the region. This is going to drop those highs for Tuesday only into the 50s, back into or only in the 40s, back into the 50s as you look along the beaches all the way through till your Thursday next weekend. Things do gradually start to warm back up, but we also see some chances for some storms.